Can a non-drinker tell the difference between a $200 bottle of whiskey and apple juice? You're about to find out. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways Plus Plus. Today I'll be joined by Deanna PinSanity, my non-drinking daughter. So she does not really enjoy any alcoholic beverages, so I thought this would be a perfect blind for her. What I'll be doing is placing 3 glasses in front of us, mix them up so that they are blind. One will be apple juice, another one will be Crown Royal Apple, and of course, one will be Crown Royal Golden Apple 23 years. Now yes, this does come in a beautiful package and it opens up to a beautiful green golden interior and bag. Now, when you take it out, you see this golden bottle with a glass top and that beautiful green lettering. On the back it states, an extra rare blend pairing patiently aged 23 years old whiskeys with the taste of golden delicious apples. But we all know it's not about the packaging, it's about the juice inside. So I did taste this and it did taste like apple juice to me. So if you want to see my review, I will leave a link for it right here and in the description below. So this gave me that crazy idea.
I have a crazy idea.
Could somebody who doesn't drink, could they tell the difference between a $200 bottle, the regular Crown Apple, and apple juice? Also, would it be worth the price? So let me get Deanna in here and let's get started. I got everything set up here. So Deanna, are you ready?
Yes. Hey, hey, hey.
All right, so in front of you we have 3 glasses. One has apple juice, one has Crown Apple, and one has the nice expensive $200 bottle of Crown Golden Apple 23 years, all right? So I wanna see if somebody who's a non-drinker can tell the difference between the 3.
Can you tell the difference?
Okay, let's do it.
All right, so what we're gonna first do is we're gonna look at each one, all right? So look at each one and tell me if you notice any difference in any of them.
Looking!
Well, I'm pretty sure this one's the apple juice.
And why do you say that?
These kind of have like a darker tint of brown, and then this looks more yellow.
Okay.
So that's what I think apple juice looks like.
So your guess right now is?
Apple juice.
Apple juice?
And then with these two, which one do you think
I
is the
think-
regular and which one do you think is the more expensive?
This one's going to be the regular, more expensive.
Okay. All right, so now next we're gonna smell them. All right, so go ahead and smell each one and you tell me what you think. See if it changes your mind on any of them.
That one's for sure apple juice.
What does that smell like?
Alcohol.
So you smell alcohol on that?
Yeah.
Okay, go to the next one.
Alcohol.
I smell alcohol.
Those two smell the exact same to me.
The exact same.
Exact same.
So you're pretty sure you're going with your first answer, right?
Yeah.
Apple juice, alcohol. Did smelling them change your mind on which could be which?
No.
Okay, so time to go.
Maybe on the actual alcoholic ones, I have no clue which one's which. But this is apple juice.
Okay, so let's go ahead and try it then. Let's see if you're right. Let's start with
Okay.
a little taste of that apple juice. Let's take a little sip.
Yep. That's apple juice.
It's apple juice? All right.
Yeah.
So let's go on to the second glass. Let's see what that one tastes like to you. I love the tiny, tiny sip you took. What is
It's
it?
sweeter, but definitely you could taste like the alcohol in the forefront, and
Okay.
it's kind of warmer and it burns. Versus this is just sugar.
Okay, let's go on to the third glass now.
Alcoholic apple juice.
Apple wine, apple whiskey.
So alcoholic apple juice. So you think these two are alcoholic apple juices?
Absolutely, for sure.
For sure. Okay, so now we're gonna go through it again, but you're saying that's the apple juice, right? You're
Yes.
100% sure.
100%.
40%, 50%, 100%.
All right, so we're just gonna move that off to the side there. So now we have these two. So every time you taste something, you wanna at least taste it twice, right? We wanna see what that feels like. You wanna taste it, put it into the mouth, let your palate adapt to it, right? So we're gonna do this one again, and then you're gonna have to decide which one's the regular and which one's the $200 bottle, and see if you can tell.
Okay.
All right?
Do you know what they taste like already?
I've already tasted
Oh,
it,
okay.
yeah.
You've already tasted them out. Yeah.
Yeah, well,
That one's very alcoholic.
okay, go to the next one.
So this one's much sweeter.
Much sweeter.
So I would think naturally the more expensive bottle will be sweeter. So I'm gonna say that one's expensive and this one's the cheaper end. Because that one's not as alcoholic forward and it does taste sweeter to me. But this one's like, yeah.
Like one.
Yeah, I wouldn't drink this one. I would choose this one.
Okay. So the last glass, right?
Yes.
All right. So let's see what the winner is. So the first glass, well, your winner is C, and C is actually the regular Crown.
Oh, wow.
B is a $200 bottle. So you did get the apple juice right. That was good. I wasn't sure if you're gonna be able to tell the difference between all of them, but you preferred the regular Crown.
Well, that must say something.
Yeah. One thing is you said this one's more alcohol for and this one isn't. Well, if you look at the Crown Apple, it is 35% alcohol, which is 70 proof. And this one's 40% alcohol, which is 80 proof. So there is a little bit of difference in the alcohol. Not much, but as a person who doesn't drink, you could tell that there is more in that one. Do you think one is more apple flavored than the apple juice?
No.
Do you think one is more
not.
apple flavored than the other?
I definitely think my favorite one is more apple flavor. Because alcohol in the more expensive bottle just kind of like coats my taste buds, so I can't even really taste the apple, but this one goes down smoother.
I'll let you cheers with the apple juice.
Perfect.
And I guess I'll drink the more expensive.
So which one
glass.
was your favorite out of the two?
Prefer actually the regular Crown for the price. I think it's worth it. The expensive one, not so much. So cheers, and to the next rabbit hole. And I guess I'll drink the more expensive.
So which one
glass.
was your favorite out of the two?
So that's a very good question, right? On both of them, they taste very similar to me. Like you said, the alcohol is not high enough for me to say, okay, this one's a lot more alcohol than this one. There's not that much of a difference for me in that. For the price, I'd actually go with the regular. I do not, if you watch my review, I talked a little bit about that. For price wise, I don't think it's worth the price. So I would not buy that bottle again.